Let's fill out the Kansas Motor Vehicle Bill of Sale together and avoid the small mistakes that cause big headaches when it's time to transfer the title and register the car. Start at the top with the date of sale, then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyer's, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave any line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. An empty box is an invitation to change the document after it's signed. Next, describe the vehicle: make, model, body type, year, color, and the odometer reading. 2 that people get wrong: the VIN. Type all 17 characters exactly as they appear on the title. A single wrong digit can stall the title transfer. And the odometer. Write the exact reading, not a rounded guess. A sloppy number can look like odometer fraud. Now, the sale price, in our example, $8,500. And how it's paid, here, paid in full by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Finally, signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. 2 things before you're done. An unsigned or undated bill of sale may not hold up, so make sure every signature has a date beside it. And make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. The buyer needs it to register the vehicle, and the seller needs it as proof they are no longer responsible for that car. Hey there, and welcome. Let's walk through what you'll need to put together a proper vehicle bill of sale for this state. First, let's talk signatures. All persons listed on the document must sign, and the bill of sale itself needs to be signed by both the seller and the buyer. So make sure everyone involved is present and ready to sign. For the title, you'll need an assignment of the certificate of title to transfer ownership. If there is a lien holder on the vehicle, you will also need a lien holder release, and that lien release must be notarized. Keep that in mind because a notarized lien release is a specific requirement here. If the vehicle has a defective title certificate, that will need to be included as part of the vehicle identification documentation. And if you have a manufacturer's statement of origin, that will be needed as part of the buyer information. When it comes to price, you'll need to include the asking price on the bill of sale. And for the date of sale section, the name of the buyer is required there as well. Now, regarding the odometer, this state follows the federal law exemption, meaning odometer certification is not required for this transaction. And of course, a bill of sale document itself is required to complete everything. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.